Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Need the product number of a for a Temu item? Here the quick way to find it. First of all, open the Temu app and make sure to connect your device to the Wi-Fi or internet. Then find the product you are interested in and open its detail page. Suppose I like this, you need to open this and your detail page of this product will open. Then locate the product number, scroll down to product detail section. You'll see our SKU, item number or product ID listed there. This is the number you can use for tracking or referencing the item. You can see here are the see all details. You can find the details over here, and that's it. Now you can easily find the Temu product number. Like this video. If you found this helpful, subscribe and stay tuned for more Temu tips, and I'll see you in the next one.